In this video, we are going to look at about the workflow process of Goferjek handyman module. We are in the home screen of the user application. Now I am going to log in using my mobile number. Apart from this, the user can log in using Google, Facebook or Apple account based on their convenience. In the provider application, now I am going to log in using my mobile number and password. As you can see, the provider status is being offline. We have to change into online to get request from the user. From the user application, I select car wash service as the requirement and classic washing service as a subcategory. Then the system shows the list of nearby providers to select. We can also apply the sorting based on our preference for distance or rating of the provider. On this page itself, we can see the ratings and images of the previously completed work by the same provider. After the checkout button is pressed, the user can apply any promo codes. If he has confirms the booking locations and finally the mode of payment for their booking. We do have cash, PayPal and Stripe as default payment option for the booking. Once the payment mode is selected, the user can book the service by pressing that book now button. The user has to confirm the COVID procedures were followed as per product norms given. Then the system automatically sends the booking request to the provider asking us within the second to accept or decline the booking. Once the live tracking tab is clicked, user can see the current location of the provider. By pressing the call tab user, we can call the provider without knowing his number. Also, user can chat with the provider using the message option we have in that application. Now I am selecting the requested service. The user can see the booking service additional details on this page. Now I am going to select the cancel option. Then now I am selecting the reason for provider not available, provider not respond or wrong route. Or the user can add any other reason to cancel the job. Once the provider reaches the user location, swipe to arrive button. Then the provider swipe to begin button to start the job. And then after the job is completed, then the provider swipe to end job button. Then provider can reach the destination to swipe the cash collector. Only the user can add the promo code can also applied on the payment detail page. And then if you can change the payment methods also. So the provider has to select the cash collected option. Only the trip will be completed successfully, both the user as well as provider. The provider can complete the trip, the user and the provider can give the rating and comments itself. In the user application, I am going to select the Your Booking option. The user can also see the past and upcoming booking service on this page. Once I am selecting the past service, select the based on the business type. We can also see the past service page, pickup and drop up location detail, fan details and rating on the service. And also select the upcoming service on this page. Currently no order is available. I am going to select the earning option. Provider can view the earning details on this page and to select the based on the business type. Now I am going to select the pay statement option. The provider can view the total payment for a week and amount for the last trip and can also view the trip history. Now I am going to select the daily earning page option, trip earning, access fee, total driver earning and the number of completed trips, and can also available on the daily earning sheet with timing details. On this page, you can see the pickup and drop up location, fare details and rating details are also on this page. I am selecting the pay to admin option in this Goferjek provider. When the provider get cash from the user, the provider will send the commission amount to the admin by paying to pay to admin option. So these are all the workflow process of Goferjek handyman model. Thank you.